So, so a process is a running instance of program. Whenever you initiate any work in operating system, on a system, so then any program will become as a process. So any executable program. So in process, what are the how do we get the process details? By using ps command. So yesterday, we have seen all these examples. For example, ps command only shows the process details which are related to you in a short form: PID, terminal type and command. So whenever you run ps command, always it shows, it shows two process IDs. One is bash process ID. What do you mean bash process ID? The process which is initiated to. So the moment when you establish a session, during that time it evaluates it evaluates all your it evaluates the credentials. Then accordingly it will create accordingly it will initiate a shell for us. So as you know that a shell is a command line interpreter. It acts as a mediator between user and kernel. So every work that you are going to perform in this Unix, it will perform through this bash only. So which means that once you start a process, the parent process ID of our new process will be, for example, ps-f. The parent process ID of this guy will be the parent process ID of our ps command, because in order to get these details it has taken help of this process. Because of that, the PPI, the PID of this guy will become as a PPID. Whereas if this program has started a few more programs, for all those programs the PPID will be this one. So as I shown yesterday, you need to be remember very clearly. So if you go with PS AUX, it is a BSD style format. It is a so BSD style format. It will provide you the more details. So user, PID, CPU, memory, virtual size, residential memory, terminal type, status. So that now I will explain you about different types of statuses. At what time it is started, time and command, time and command. So now when you go with for example, just now I have started these processes, right? So grep if an I v hand. So shit. So we have if grep if an I need. So there are few processes. So there are few processes. Those processes will start whenever the system starts, and those processes will be shut down whenever you shut down the system. So those kind of processes we can call it as a system processes or a daemon processes. We call it as a daemon process. So in human body, so the heart will continuously functioning, right? So as long as we are alive. So similarly, so whenever you start a Unix system, so after completion of after completion of initial checkups and scannings, it will start few processes. Those processes will be up and running as long as the system is up and running. So those processes we can call it as a daemon process. So what is a daemon process? A process which has a process. So there are different you need to be understand. So what is a daemon process? What is a daemon process? What is a daemon process? The daemon process means the name itself. So the name itself, a process which starts a process which starts while booting the system, and that will be terminated terminated. So when we shut down the system, when you shut down the system, which means that, so these kind of processes we can call it as we can call it as daemon processes. What are the daemon process in Unix? We have a scheduler, SCHED, scheduler, scheduler, init. So all these are the okay daemon processes. I will tell you about more about init command later, but these are the system processes. So there are two types of processes: daemon, okay, system defined process, and okay user defined processes. The user defined process validity is until the program okay executes. That can be terminated and that can be started whenever is needed. But there are few system defined processes. Those system defined processes cannot be terminated or cannot be down as long as okay the system is up and running. So those processes we can call it as a okay daemon process or okay system process. We can call it as daemon process or okay system okay process. So for example, if you go with okay this command, so ps hyphen okay ef, so we'll come to know that. So all these are the so daemon processes. For example, okay, so if you take this okay POSIX and okay all these are okay even okay grub manager and SSSD and all these are the okay system processes. All these are system processes. Those processes will not be okay down. And okay clear, right? So user id means so which user this process has started, what is the process id, parent process id, and okay time and start time, terminal type, which terminal it has okay, executed, time, and okay command. So even yesterday we have discussed about okay few more options. If you want, okay, we can also sort the processes by using okay sort percentage of okay percentage of okay, I mean, if we can also sort the processes by using one of the few more important option. How do we get the processes details? Okay, you want to sort the processes by using the okay based on its memory in descending order. Just simply mention hyphen hyphen sort is equals to hyphen percentage of memory. If it is a CPU, okay, CPU. These are the two options where we can able to okay start it, where you can able to okay sort the okay processes. And okay even so when you run this okay ps aux command, we are getting a lots of okay okay we are getting a okay status. So what is the meaning of yes, okay, yes less than, this we need to be okay analyzed. There are different okay there are okay different okay there are so there are below are the so below are the okay below are the different okay statuses of processes, different status of process. So okay one is, so what are the different statuses of process? One means r means if you see any process which is having r, which means that it is okay running. And if it is yes, so if it is yes, which means that okay, it is okay sleeping, it is okay, it is okay sleeping, sleep okay sleeping. We can able to understand okay by name itself what is the okay meaning of okay these guys. Now we're also okay having okay d. So d means we can call it as okay uninterruptible okay sleep. So which means that we can call it as a okay, daemon. So we can call it as a okay da daemon processes. If anything which is having a status called okay d, which is a daemon process, uninterruptible okay uninterruptible okay process. So the next we are also having a okay, we are also having a okay t. So t means okay stop. So now we're also having okay z. Z means okay zombie, and okay, we're also having a status called okay x. We can call it as okay dead, and okay I means okay I means okay ideal, I means okay ideal. So these are the different okay processor status, so which are having an okay system, which are having any okay system. So if you want to get the processes details, so ps hyphen okay eo, so okay for example ps hyphen eo pid okay comma ppid comma okay okay stat okay stat stat comma comm. So think they are not working. So for example, okay, let's use this. So we are able to get the okay processes okay status. So okay, what are the command? All those details we can able to get it. So what is the meaning of okay yes? Yes means okay sleeping, or the case means all of them are okay sleeping. And okay, we're also having a r. R means okay running. So r plus means just now we have running a process, right? So okay r plus means okay running. So okay d means okay daemon process. And okay t means okay stopped. So this process is okay stopped. So if any of the person contains a T, that means which is okay stopped. And okay, we're also having a process called okay X. So capital X, that is called okay dead. It is a dead process. And we're also having a I, we can call it as a okay, ideal. So these are the so different okay statuses. So as you know that running means the process is running, and okay, sleeping means the process is waiting for an event, and uninterruptible sleep means cannot be interrupted like any demand processes. T means a process has okay, been okay, stopped. Z means a zombie process. So what is the meaning of zombie process? So let me try to explain the zombie process now. What is the meaning of zombie status? A zombie means a zombie is a undead process. So a zombie is a okay, undead process. So okay, I mean a zombie is a okay, undead process. So a process has finished its execution, but okay, still the entries are in process table. A process, which means that, see, whenever you run a program, so whenever you run a process, whenever you execute a program, assume that you have executed okay program. You have executed a okay program. Now it goes to the okay shell. So after going to the shell, okay, it will give it to the okay, kernel. So okay, it validates. So it validates the authentic. Okay, it validates the it validates the authorization and everything. And okay, then it go for the compilation. Okay, compilation. So we can call it as okay, compilation. Okay, compilation. So after the compilation, so once the as part of compilation, it check for okay, syntax and semantic errors. So if there are no syntactical and there are no semantic errors, what it does, it will okay, now this program has to be executed, right? So okay, it plays the entries. So it plays the okay entries. It plays the entries at process table. Okay, process table. So now the process table, which means that the system should know, right, what are all the activities are coming. So the entries will place at process table. Once the details are in process table, now so first we will okay, make it as submitted status. Then then okay, it will be then okay, if there are the resources are not available, it will be in wait status. So there will be also having as different statuses. Okay, wait. Okay, then okay, terminated and okay, killed. So okay, killed also we can able to okay specify. And okay, yes means okay success. Okay, even okay stopped. Yes means okay, yes, okay success also. These are the different okay statuses. So now, so assume that you have run a program called okay, there is a program called okay A. So you have initiated. So it has reached okay, I mean it reached to this position. After reaching to this position, it is completed. So which means that the process okay, the entries are in process table. Based on the process table, the program has completed. Now, so once I mean the moment when it created the entry and process table, then okay, it will I mean it will update in the process table. We can able to see by using the ps command. So ps command read the data from process table only. So now once the program has completed its execution, then it has to convert the status of the program from running to completed or a success or stopped. So whatever it is, completed, success or stopped, all these are the okay synonyms. All these are the synonyms. But what happens is, on very rare scenarios, very rare scenarios, when there is a network glitch, okay, when there is a when there is a communication gap, when there is a okay communication gap, when there is a communication gap, or okay when there is a okay when there is a when there is a glitch on when there is a glitch on okay system, glitch on a system. So what happens is, so okay, what happens is the status of program instead of completed, it will okay become as a Z. Z means zombie process. Z means okay zombie, which means that a process has finished its execution, but okay, still the entries are in process table. But still the entries are in process table, which means that so after completion of okay after completing the execution of this process table, it has to terminate. Okay, it has to remove that entry from here in the process table. But instead of okay removing the entry from process table, it's keep on okay the status of program will be converted as a zombie. So zombie means A process has finished its execution, but still the entries are in process table. Because of that, these programs are keep on executing. So the program is keep on executing. What will happen? There is a memory leakages. There are some memory leakages. Since there are some memory leakages, unnecessary, right? So for example, you have given a work to, okay, you have given a work for, okay, a specific person. So okay, you have given a work to, okay, your friend, or okay, I mean, okay, your friend. Now okay, he has completed it. So he has completed it. Then okay, from your mind you have to, okay, clear that. So okay, I have given, okay, this work to my friend, or okay, my, okay, kid, he has completed. But your, okay, kid has, okay, completed your work, and he already confirmed, okay, your, okay, he already conveyed that, so I completed. But so you forgot it. So okay, I mean, in your mind, as part of your mind registration, you are still thinking that, okay, I mean, they might have told, but there are some very rare scenarios in our mind also, right? What will, okay, we forgot that immediately. Then your mind is continuously thinking about, okay, thinking about that work, right? Here I have given a work, I have given a work, I have given a work to, okay, so and so person. What is the status? They already completed the status, they already finished the work, but okay, your mind, okay, forgot to register that. So in this case, your mind is, okay, I mean that is the unnecessary thought of, okay, your mind, right? But okay, you are again, okay, thinking that, and you are wasting your memory, okay, you are wasting your resources. The same one, okay, here also, the same one here also, almost not same. So the a process has finished its execution, but still the entries are in process table. So because of that, the process is keeps on running, it wastes the memory. So that kind of processes, we can call it as a zombie process. Zombie means undead process. Zombie means, okay, undead process. Undead, okay, process. A process has finished its execution, but still the entries are in process table. Because of that, it keeps on running. That's, we can call it as a zombie, okay, process. So any doubts on, okay, here? So is it clear?
Yes.
So all clear? I hope it's, okay, straightforward and clear. So if somebody is asking that what is a zombie process, so you have to say that a zombie process means a process has finished execution, and okay, but still the entries are in process table. That we can call it as a zombie process. And there is a another status called, okay, I need, okay, there is another status called orphan. There is another status called, okay, orphan. What do you mean by, okay, orphan in, okay, general meaning? So okay, we'll say that, okay, this, okay, this guy is a orphan, which means that, so okay, I mean, he might have lost his parents or something, we can call it as a orphans. Here also the same. So orphan means, so okay, orphan means, now a process, okay, now the process, okay, you have initiated a process called, okay, A has initiated a process called, okay, and it also initiated a process called, okay, it's initiated a process called, okay, A1 and, okay, A2. Now A1 and A2, okay, I mean the A1 and A2. So for example, in order to run this, in order to initiate this process, first is, okay, shell, right? Okay, now, okay, first is, okay, shell. So with the help of, okay, shell, so with the help of, okay, shell, so okay, we have initiated, okay, this process. We have initiated, okay, this process. Now okay, here in this case, what is the, okay, hierarchy? So shell, okay, we initiated a process called A. Okay, I mean the A process is initiated with the help of a shell. Now A has initiated two more processes, A1 and A2. So in this case, A1 and A2 are the childs of A, and A is a child of, okay, shell. So for example, grandfather, so father and kids. Grandfather, father and, okay, kids. So now here, so what will happen? So always the hierarchy will be, so I mean, okay, assume that, okay, I mean the program A has started A1 and A2. Now when whatever the statuses, the outcome of, okay, these two guys, okay, has to report to A, has to report to, okay, A, okay, has to report to A. So what will happen is, so now the status of, okay, A, okay, now the outcome of A, it has to report to, okay, shell. This is the, okay, hierarchy. So sometimes what will happen is, So by any chance this a1 or a2, okay, I mean before completion of the, okay, even the exit process will be, so assume that okay, the process has completed in this case. So okay, now okay, now a1, okay, the how the hierarchy will be. So in order to terminate, okay, in order to terminate this, I mean okay, after successful completion, it will the responsibility of a is, it has to keep on monitor what is the status of a1 and a2. And okay, once this is completed its execution, it marks as a completed. But sometimes and some rare scenarios, so okay, before terminating or before okay, completion of a1 and a2, and sometimes the process a will be terminated, the process a will be terminated, or that will be completed. So which means that, so a parent process has completed before the okay, child process okay, completes. So in this case, all those child processes we can call it as a orphan process. Now for all these orphan processes, all these orphan processes, so okay, then okay, I need okay, all this will associate with the process called okay, I need, because the process id of I need is one, right? So sometimes okay, if you are going to terminate a program, so if the child has terminated, so if the child has terminated before okay, parent okay, terminates, so those processes we can call it as orphan processes. For all the orphan processes, okay, will be okay, the father of all the orphan processes will be init. So for even generally also will say that. So I mean we are also having a proverb, right? So okay, the same way in Unix also init is the okay, main process, we can call it as a, it's a first process, okay, it's a first process. So what will happen is, if the okay, if the process a1 and a2, okay, a2 I mean a2 are still running, and the okay, the process a has terminated. So in this case the a1 and a2 will become as a okay, orphan, and okay, it will associate with the init, it won't associate with the okay, shell. That is the logic they have okay, built it on. So these kind of processes we can call it as a okay, orphan processes, we can call it as orphan okay, processes. So I hope it's clear for okay, everyone. If somebody asks you that what is a orphan process, so orphan process is nothing, so a process has finished execution, but okay, still the entries are in process table, that okay, we can call it as a orphan okay, process. And okay, similarly, so what is the meaning of okay, okay, Jambi? Jambi means a process has finished its execution, but still the entries are in process table. That okay, because of that the program is keep on running. That okay, we can call it as okay, Jambi process. That we can call it as okay, Jambi okay, process. So okay, I hope it's clear for okay, everyone. Any doubts on okay here? So similarly, there are okay, lot many okay, examples. So E means okay, the same thing I copied okay, full format. So okay, O means custom output format. So PID. So if you want to sort it by using percentage of memory, percentage of CPU. So high memory usages means then you can use the okay, head command. So if you want to show say specific column, we can also okay, use this okay, specific columns. And okay, I mean that I will tell you what is a kill and all. So for example, okay, if you want to okay, extract only the process ID, so we can also okay, use this okay, command. So for example, I will tell you okay, what is the okay, how it this kill command and all. So if you want to okay, see the tree view process, okay, PS and all. So advanced okay, hyphen O means okay, you can okay, I mean hyphen O means you can control exactly what okay, PS okay, prints. So okay, what okay, PS prints to list all the fields okay, PS okay, L. So if you use that okay, capital L, so okay, PS okay, capital L, we can print okay, all the fields which are okay, having. So here we can able to see that percentage of CPU means CPU, okay, memory L okay, I mean underscore left means LLL. So left to right and okay, right. So unlimited. So alarm. So C means okay, catch. All those details we can able to okay, see it. And okay, these are all like a shell scripting kind of examples. I will tell you okay later. I will tell you the okay later. The examples are okay, same. U means okay, user long, okay, select the command line. So these are all the okay, options. Basic options are okay, A, X, okay, almost all of them are okay, same, nothing much can you on it. So okay, PID, PPID, command, okay, memory, residential memory, I will tell you what is residential memory. E time is elapsed time. These are the arguments. Nice. So these are the different statuses which are having an processes. So now, so if you execute ps aux, you are able to get that all the process details, right? Process details. Now, so if you want to I mean for example, a same command, for example, if I use ps ps hyphen fi, so ps hyphen f. So I think these are the major options about ps command. So if you are still having any doubts, let me know. So yes or no?
No, no.
It's clear, right? So now, whenever you run any program, so assume that you have initiated some program. Now in an organization, so now assume that there are couple of there are couple of programs. There are programs are running. So the existing programs, for the existing programs. So for the existing programs, what we can do is by default every program treats as treats with treats with same priority. So what do you mean by same priority? Priority means, so if in unix, if everyone is running, it will come into the process table, then based on the resources available, the program will be executed. So the program will be executed. So now if there is a requirement that, so there is an urgent work, so you want to run some program, but system resources are less. So in order to give more priority of your program, so it always follows the, I mean it follows by default, it follows FIFO algorithm. What is the meaning of FIFO algorithm? First in first out. So if you want to follow the first in first out, we can able to I mean which means that I mean, once we run a program, so it follows the process. Unix follows the FIFO algorithm. First in, first out. FIFO means first in, first out. So whoever comes first, that will be executed, and it will give to the and it will go to the further. But if there is a, if there are some cases you want to give the you want to give the more priority of the next program, that we can able to change by using that we can able to change by using this. First by default unix will provide, so by default unix provides default default priority, so pri and ni to get the priority and nice values. So priority, what is the priority, and what is the nice value? What is the nice value? So by default every program, so nice is to change the priority. So we're having a value from minus 20, I mean we're also having minus 20, minus 20, minus 4, and then we are having different, right? So we are having the sub priorities, for example 0 19. So we are I mean, so 0 means 19, and we are having some priorities. So when you want to change the priority of values, if you want to change the priority of your values, so in unix, so the default the range of priority, the range of priority is minus 20 to minus 20 to 19, minus 20 to 19. So minus 20 to the 19, and default nice value is default nice value is 0. Default nice value is 0. Whereas, so if you want to if you want to change the so if you want to change the priority of program, that can be changed by using the nice command, by using the nice command. So by using this nice command, minus 20 means least priority, 0 means default priority, 19 means highest priority. My 19 means highest priority. So 0 is the default, minus 20, okay, 20 minus 20 is okay least, and okay 19 is okay highest. 19 is okay highest. 19 is okay highest okay priority. Highest okay priority. So once you know that okay, if it is started with okay default priority, all your programs started with default priority. Now you want to change, okay, you want to increase the, so okay, you want to okay increase the, okay, I'm sorry, my bad. So 20 is the okay highest priority, 20 is the okay, minus 20 is the highest, 19 is the okay least. It's my bad. So 19 is the okay least. So I always get confusion. So minus 20 is the highest priority, 0 means the default priority, 19 means okay least priority. So now, so okay, this is a highest priority, this is a lowest priority. So all of them are okay lowest priority. These are all okay default priority. Now, if you want to change the priority of okay this guy, this is the process ID. So we already got the process ID, okay, details. Now, how to change the process ID? We can able to change the process ID by using a nice command. A nice is a command. With the help of nice command, we can able to change the priority. So, okay, run this command with an adjusted nices. So, okay, with no command, print, okay, minus 20 means most favorable, 19 means okay least. So, how to, okay, syntax is this much. So, nice hyphen n, so okay nice okay hyphen n. So okay, for example, okay, you are having okay, you are having the, so assume that okay, I'm going to print okay print the 20, and okay, I'm going to print the cronty, so I'm going to mention as a cronty. So now cannot lock other, okay, their PID may be 641, resource temporarily are unavailable. So okay, which means that this way we can able to change the, so okay, this way we can able to change the, so priority of a okay program. So priority of a okay program. So for example, okay, if you want to okay pass the PID, the PID is okay 641, right? So this is the okay syntax. So here it's not working, but okay, even okay, because these are all the daemon processes, right? So maybe it is not okay working. So okay, this is the okay, 0, right? So now, so okay, now for example, okay, hyphen n, okay, 20. So let's use okay hyphen p, okay, hyphen p 405. We add option. So okay, hyphen n. So okay, minus 20. Okay, hyphen p 1 2 3 4 5. It has to work. That's fine. So nice command is a nice is a command to change the priority of a program. So nice minus 20 hyphen n means what is the value you want to okay, assign it. So for example, okay, let's make it as okay 10 here. So okay 10. So okay nice okay hyphen okay help. Same, we are trying to use the same process. The syntax is very simple. Nice hyphen n. What I remember nice hyphen n. The nice value hyphen p process ID. So nice hyphen n 5. So okay, nice hyphen n 5 or okay 6. Okay, there are the process IDs, right? For example, so okay, yes, okay, process ID. So okay, we have to use this okay hyphen okay p, I guess. So let's remove this guy. Nice, no, that's fine. So this way we can able to change the, so priority of okay program. Whereas okay, if you want to okay bring the okay, if you want to okay bring the priority to the okay to the okay default one, we have a renice command. So nice, and okay, then okay, we're also having okay renice. Okay, nice and okay renice commands are to change the priority of a program, to change the priority of a program. How do we get that? Okay, how do we get that? Okay, how do we get the priority of details? So we have to use the, as part of PI command. So okay, we can use this okay ps -eo PID common priority and all, so that okay it will provide you the, so process okay it will okay provide you the priority and okay nice value. What is the priority and what is the okay nice value? I hope it's clear. Now, so this is the one way. Or whereas if you want to okay by mistakenly you ran a program. So assume that, so there are a couple of okay, there are a couple of scenarios and couple of scenarios. Okay, by default, okay, by default, by mistakenly we have started a program. By mistakenly, So you have started a program. You have started a okay, program. And system resources, okay, system resources are completely down, are completely okay down, completely okay down, okay due to okay due to okay okay due to due to due to long running due to long running programs, due to long running okay programs, due to long running okay program. So there are okay few scenarios where the program is not working as expected. Very simple. So you have connected to a class, and if you are unable to okay, hear okay, my voice properly, what you will do? Again, you will okay. I mean, your motto is to listen the class, but you are unable to okay hear the my voice properly. So due to some network issues while connecting, while establishing a connection, there are some issues. So we'll disconnect and reconnect. So similarly, so for example, assume that okay, some others have connected my meeting mistakenly instead of connecting others. In this case, he has to okay log off, right? He has to terminate. So during that scenarios, the same on okay here, a process has started. A process okay by mistakenly has started a process, or okay the process is running longer time. It is completely system resources are okay fulfilling, and okay in those scenarios, what we can do is, so okay we are also having a privileges to terminate a process. So Unix allows us to, so Unix allows us to terminate a process, okay, terminate a process, okay, Unix allows us to terminate a process, terminate a process. So below are the, okay, below are the common, common, okay, scenarios. Below are the common, okay, scenarios. What are all the common scenarios? One is a process is running for, okay, a process is running a longer time, okay, than okay, usual time. So, okay, a process is running a longer time. A process is running a running a longer time than okay usual time, and okay system resources are completely down, or by mistakenly by mistakenly you have started the okay, program by mistakenly, okay you have okay you have, so by mistakenly, okay, you have done that. So in that scenarios, on that scenarios, so with the help of okay kill command, we can able to terminate it. So how do we kill? So by using kill command, by using kill command, we can terminate the process. We can terminate the okay process. We can terminate the okay process. That is the basic okay functionalities of okay PS. Okay, okay that is the functionality of okay kill command. So kill command is the one where if you want to okay where if you want to okay where if you want to terminate the process, then okay we can go with kill command. So the kill command syntax are kill options, or we can call it as okay signals, okay signals, then process id, then process okay id. This way okay we can able to kill a, or okay we can make it as okay pid. So with help of okay this, okay we can able to with help of this, okay we can able to terminate a okay process. The options are okay hyphen 0, okay hyphen 3, okay hyphen of 15, so okay hyphen okay 15, okay hyphen okay 9, so hyphen okay 9, okay hyphen okay 9, okay for okay hyphen okay 9. So if you want to get okay all the signals in kill command, so kill hyphen hyphen okay help. So okay kill okay hyphen okay help, or okay kill okay hyphen capital L. So kill hyphen L to display the available okay signals. What are all the signals we are having? So one means okay okay I mean sig hub, integer, quit, okay then okay kill, then okay 15 means okay there will be 15 terminal. So okay we can use okay any of okay this option while running a okay while running while killing a program. So while killing a okay process, while killing a okay process. So there are okay many for example one means it's a signal okay hub, and I need, and quit, and okay these are the okay details, these are the okay details. So mainly okay we use on our day-to-day program. So hyphen 3, sorry, mainly okay hyphen 3, okay hyphen 15, and okay hyphen 9. Hyphen 3 what it does means, it takes a okay it takes a dump. So it takes a dump and okay terminate the okay process and terminate the okay process. So hyphen 15 means okay graceful kill. So graceful okay kill. So graceful okay kill. Hyphen 9 means okay sure kill. Hyphen 9 means okay sure kill. So okay mean we always use that okay sure kill or okay force kill. So we can also call it as okay force okay kill. You can also call it as okay force okay skill. So okay force okay skill. So okay, even we're also having a process called okay pkill. So pkill means okay kill a process by using okay by using its okay name. So by using is so pkill process the name using the okay pkill command. We're also pkill and okay kill all. So kill all means so kill all. So what kill all? So kill the processes by pattern okay using. For example, okay if you are going with okay kill all, so it kills okay all processes by pattern okay by pattern okay matching. We can also use a pattern okay matching. So okay for example okay if you want to okay, kill, so if you want to even kill command we can also pass okay multiple options we can able to okay pass it. Minus okay 15. So let me try to okay kill the okay programs. How to kill that? So in order to okay in order to get the process details okay ps hyphen so ef, so ps hyphen okay ef. Now you are having a process called okay there are okay couple of okay processes, right? Now assume that all these are the system processes. If you are terminating this process it may lead into some other. So but for example assume that I want to terminate this process, we can use kill hyphen 9. So for example if you go with okay kill command it will ask you okay then okay for example if you go ahead and okay run okay if you go ahead and check there won't be that okay process, that process is okay terminated. So that process is okay terminated. So even for kill command we can also pass okay multiple okay inputs at a time. There is no limitation. Space is the so delimited, space is the okay delimited, space is the okay delimited to terminate the okay processes. Now so the syntax is very simple, kill okay kill process id or okay kill hyphen 9 process id. Now you need to know the okay differences okay between hyphen 9 and okay hyphen 15, hyphen 9 and hyphen okay 15. What is the meaning okay what are the differences between hyphen 9 and okay hyphen okay 15? So what hyphen 9 does is, so hyphen 9 is a okay hyphen 9 is a okay forceful. So hyphen 9 is a, so I told that okay hyphen 9 is a okay forceful. So okay it is a okay forceful and okay immediate terminations, and okay it is a immediate okay termination, it is a immediate okay termination. So when do we go with okay this command? When process okay won't respond to the, so okay when process got hung. So when process is okay hung or okay it's not responding or it's not okay responding during that time or if it is okay or it's not responding during that time we'll go with okay hyphen 9 options. Whereas um, whereas okay if you want to stop a program in a polite way, so in a polite way if you want to okay kill okay then we can use this okay hyphen okay 15. So what happens here is, so if you go with okay hyphen okay 9 or all of them are to kill only, so but okay we always use okay hyphen 9. So what hyphen 9 okay does is, so with help of okay hyphen 9, so okay we can okay with the help of okay first options are kill, then kill hyphen 15, then kill hyphen okay 9. So 9 means okay as a last okay option. So as I said that okay the intent of hyphen 15 is it tells the process to clean up and exit. So mainly clean the resources, clean the okay resources and okay exit, clean the resources and okay exit. That is the motto of okay hyphen okay 15. And okay even process can okay save state, close all the files related resources. Mainly it cleans the resources, okay it cleans the resources and okay terminates. And okay, if you want to shut down the properly, so okay, it's a proper way to, okay, it's a proper way to, okay, terminate. It's a proper way to terminate. Whereas if you go with like a hyphen n, so okay, it immediately kills without of any thought process. It kills the program without of any thought process. It kills the program, and process cannot be. I mean, okay, it's a forcible. So, but okay, I mean, in case if you're unable to close with okay 15, go with okay hyphen okay 9. So these are the two differences. You should be always okay remember. These are the two differences. It always okay remember. So p kill means, for example, okay, if you want to kill any okay here, so for example, okay, p kill, so you want to kill a program called okay, for example, crypto, something you want to kill it, you can also use this okay p kill. P kill will take the input as a process name, kill will take the input as a process okay id. That is the only okay difference. For example, okay, kill all. So we are also having a kill all option, right? We are also having a okay kill all option. So what kill all option does? Okay, kill okay all. So for example, okay, if you mention okay, for example, pick up and all, if there are any something, all will be okay killed. These are the different options on okay kill commands. These are the different options on so okay kill command. So kill is one of the powerful command. So but okay, but kill honors the okay file permissions. What do you mean by file permissions? The person okay who started a program, they can only terminate. Okay, okay. I mean, by default, root can do anything because he is a god. Okay, in Unix system, he can do. But normal users, whatever the programs they have started, they can only kill their programs. Other programs cannot kill until unless if you don't have a execute access. So in order to kill a process, you require a execute access. So if you don't have execute access, okay, write and execute access, you can't terminate it. So this is what you need to be okay remember. So this is completely about the okay processes. Now in Unix, so okay, I mean Unix, we can also okay, run a process. So as I told you that multitasking, right? So how do we achieve the multitasking? So one is in okay foreground. What do you mean by foreground? Any process which is running in a okay front screen, we can get a foreground. Then okay background. So now you need to know how to run a program in background. So not run a program in a background. I already told you about as part of special characters. I told you about the option called ampersand. Then okay no hub followed by ampersand. These are the two ways to okay. These are the okay, two ways to okay run a program. Okay, these are the two ways to run a program in okay background. So ampersand and okay no hub. Ampersand and okay no hub. The ampersand command allows us to run a program in okay background. And similarly, if you go with a no hub, it is a extended functionality. This is extended okay functionality. So ampersand and no hub are the very important to remember it. So how to run a program in background. So any program, so at the end, for example, if you execute okay ps, so for example, okay pwd ampersand. So if you execute this one pw at the end of a program, so at the end of the program, if you see option called ampersand, that okay we can call it as a okay background process. Once you run a process in a background by using ampersand, it displays the process id on a screen, and after successful execution of a program, it will also displays the okay output. It will also displays the okay output. So how to run it? This is the way. So okay, once we run a program, so okay, once you run a program, okay, in background, so in background, so okay, using ampersand, it displays okay, it displays the process id on screen, and later it overrides and okay it overrides the output of a command, output of a program with current okay with okay current okay with current okay screen, which means what is the meaning of this one? So if you are running by using ampersand, for example, assume that, so immediately I started okay, another command. So what will happen is, okay ls and all, so the output of okay your program, the output of a program okay, overrides the, current output. Assume that you want to, you are having a program, that program takes the 5 minutes. So you run a ampersand, it will provide the process id. What is the process id? And program name also, where it is running, process id. And so pwd, for example, if you go with home by ram and run, for example, if you execute pwd ampersand, it will say that this is the current directory where you are going to run. So which means that the output of the command will be override. For example, if you execute ls-lrt ampersand, then immediately, so it will shows the process id. And you need to press enter one more time, you need to press enter one more time. But assume that if it is this will take 30 seconds of time. You ran this ls command. After that, you are trying to run some other command. So assume that if you are running another command, the output of that command, so it is displaying some output. Even this command is completed in between of the previous command execution, the output will be overwritten. So it will be difficult. So as a best practice, as a best practice, always redirect the output to a new file, or to a new file. Always redirect the output and the errors and errors to a new file. How do we redirect that? We already know it by using the ampersand command. So greater than, for example, if execute here ls hyphen l capital R T forward slash, so forward slash, so for example, greater than out.txt and two greater than error.txt, and at the end simple ampersand. That's it. After ampersand, you should not contains anything. So now, now just go ahead and display the output. So we'll get the, so it is exited, not so why it is exited. So we got this errors moved into one file, and out will move into, so out moved into another file. So errors will move into one file, and out into will be some another file. So that is how we can able to run a program by using ampersand. So ampersand means if you are going to run a at the end of the program, so ampersand should be at the end. So ampersand should be at the end. So for example, so for the same command, if I execute ls-lrt backward slash ampersand greater than n dot txt 2 greater than ampersand of 1, so we'll get an exceptions, you will get an exception. So it will also display the output on screen. It's not going to so redirect. So ampersand should be at the ampersand should be at the end. Ampersand should be at the end. It should be at the end. Then only the output and everything will go and sit into the screen. So the moment you run a program, it will display the process ID. So the best practice is always redirect the output to a standard file. That is the one thing. And second one is, if too many programs are running in background, it degrades the system performance. 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 And if you log out from a if you log out from a terminal, and if there are any background processes are running, processes are running, all would be abandoned halfway through. So what is the meaning of this one? So or would be abandoned halfway through, which means that, so you are running 10 programs in a background, but due to some issues, either mistakenly or unmistakenly, you have closed your session. All your programs will be terminated. And by intentionally you came out, your program will not be succeeded. So these are the drawbacks we are having by using, if you're running a program in ampersand. Whereas if you run a program, so instead of running the same command, so if you just add no hop in the beginning, just no hop in the beginning, so no hop in the beginning, so we can able to overcome all these disadvantages. So by default, the output will save on nohub.out file. Errors and output both will save on nohub.out file. And if too many programs have initiated, it will prioritize or it will run. And if you log out from your system, and your programs will still continue. So your programs will still continue. So how it will continue is, so once we terminate, okay, once you log out from your session, so all those programs will go and associate with the init process. Will go and associate with the init process. So which means that, so as long as as long as your session is running, the programs will run with session. So once you terminate your session, the programs will go and associate with the init. So with the help of init, the programs will be executed. The programs will be executed. So these are the basic things what we are having on PS command. So tomorrow, so we'll continue the